everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Brian from Monaco Auto Design, and man, it's been a while. Feels good to be back. Hope everyone is staying safe and doing well. And today we are designing and modeling a rear wing for a Ferrari F8 wide body, and also catching you up on what's been going on, where I've been. Before we get into all that, and what you probably clicked on this video for is to watch me fiddle around in Blender while modeling this ridiculous rear wing. So my main goal was to get some modeling practice and also to just have fun and make an absurdly obnoxious design and see what I could come up with utilizing my beginner/intermediate Blender skills. I wanted to do something with the side end plates that kind of rhymed with the rest of the wide body that I designed and modeled previously. But other than that, I didn't really have anything planned. I just made it up as I went. I think it turned out pretty cool, but let me know what you think in the comments below. Also, like the video and subscribe. I've been slowly learning Blender over, the past year or so, learning as much as I can in between projects. So if you're familiar with Blender, you might watch this video and be like, oh my god, this guy has no idea what he's doing. And that's partially true. This is by no means like a modeling tutorial, and it's also not a showcase of
aerodynamic efficiency and engineering practicality.
It's strictly for practice and just to have a bit of fun while I'm at it. So Blender has been a challenge, but also a freaking blast to learn. 3D really opens up so many more possibilities compared to Photoshop's 2D workspace, for example. Just really cool stuff. If you're looking to get into 3D, I would highly suggest Blender. It's been around for a long time, and best of all, it's free. So anyone can download the latest version and start messing around, and that's exactly what I did. And if you're looking for some YouTube channels to maybe get started and learn from, I would highly suggest Blender Guru. He has multiple series of tutorials from beginner to expert. I did his beginner donut tutorial and his slightly more intermediate chair tutorial to get my feet wet, and I learned a ton. I knew absolutely nothing, and I was able to make this donut and this chair, so that was pretty cool. And if you're looking for a Blender artist that is more focused on automotive, definitely check out Damian Matthew for some quick tips and tutorials. Really cool stuff from him too. So thank you, Andrew and Damian, for your awesome Blender content. I'll link their channels in the description. And speaking to where I've been lately and why I haven't posted many videos isn't really too complicated. The time that I used to dedicate to YouTube, which wasn't a ton really, became the time that I used to learn Blender. And the rest of my time spent focusing on other projects and renderings. So thanks everyone who stuck around. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. I hope you stick around too. My goal is to keep posting videos as much as I can. I think I was averaging about maybe one video per month, which I know it's not a lot in like the YouTube world, but I enjoy making videos when I can. But if you're looking for more consistent content from me, be sure to follow me on Instagram at Monaco Auto Design. So sit back, relax, and I'll catch back up with you guys at the end of this video with the final result. All right, so here's what the final rendered versions look like at a few different angles, and I also threw in a couple versions with different colors and whatnot. Again, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.